Welcome to one more session and one more reading from the book Focus on What Matters by Darius Foru. And today is letter number 25. I'm Veena BK. I'm the spiritual happiness coach for corporate moms. And I'm reading from this book the lessons or the letters which the author has written in this book so that it helps us to understand what we should be doing in our life, how we should be taking the things in our life, what mindset we need to develop. So those all nuggets are here in this book, and today's letter number 25 on the hidden value of hard things. On the hidden value of hard things. The truth is that we need to do hard things to maintain equilibrium. The Stoics were always moderate when it came to work and rest. They simply said, don't overwork and also don't be lazy because entropy will take over. It's just like taking care of your house. If you never clean or maintain it, the house becomes unlivable. Similarly, if we stop taking care of our bodies and minds, we will eventually deteriorate. It's a law of nature. This is a fact we want to ignore because no one likes doing hard things. Who wants to exercise every day? Who wants to work on their relationship and admit that they have all kind of bad habits that originate from their childhood? Who wants to work all day, building one's career or perhaps struggling to create a new company together with a bunch of strangers? It's hard, but you and I both know that we need to do those things. Because if we do not, our health, relationships, and lives will only get worse. Nothing in life improves on its own without any form of nurturing. Read this sentence again. Nothing in life improves on its own without any form of nurturing. What happens to a plant if you don't give it water? What happens to your car if you don't change the oil? The Stoics warned us to never look at outcomes, just like the illustration. There's one illustration here. So never look at the top, look at your next step, not at the finish line. Otherwise, you risk slipping on that banana peel. Similarly, if you work hard and you don't get rich, don't give in to disappointment because sometimes things just don't work out. Marcus Aurelius talked about this concept in Meditations. Remember that our efforts are subject to circumstances. You weren't aiming to do the impossible. At any time, we are subjected to thousands of external forces that we can't control. We can do work without getting noticed. We aim to have it all, and if we don't get it all, we get down. That's not the good way to live. It's much better to have no expectations whatsoever. Remember that doing hard work is part of adult life and that the work itself has value regardless of what rewards we do or don't receive. When you go through life without expecting much from yourself, you can simply do your best, which is enough. So, hard is inevitable, and the author advises to take the hard work in your stride and just progress without overly being concerned about the result and enjoying the work itself. So, the author sums up by saying that the work itself is the reward, whatever you achieve after that or not doesn't matter. So, I really loved this chapter. Please share your thoughts and your takeaways, your learnings from this chapter. Please share it in the comment and also forward this video to anyone who may benefit by listening to it. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get regular updates. Thank you.